Usambut Menteri Rangba Bakmi ia ke Urban Affairs uba sengap halang dhar ula ong ba ke sorkar jella kan penlong ia ke jingialang hapadeng kitanat sorkar ha ke taiew ba khatduh jong unailar bania kren halor ke jingkan ria ia ke harijan koloni na Them Ïewmawlong uba dhar ula ong ba ula betha iki ofisar benlum iki kai pot thamai na baro kitanat sorkar ki badan benta ha ke ni kaman hadien balayo lut iki jingtep ke sorkar kat sei kren bania ha ke jingialang ka basalong ha ke bakut jong unailar ula ong baha kesin ke banding kong ke jingya keren kan long tangkap pedang kita nak sorkar hadin kata ansakot ia kinong mikmat jong ke harijan koloni panial sim benta ha ke jingya keren.
The status for that, we already plan to have meetings maybe last week of the month. I already coordinate with my officer, with my department to get update all the latest report from different part of the department or from the different everything. We'll be having a meeting on the location of the thing in the last part of August.
So this
only between the department first, and then we will call the people from that camps. Collect all the report in details, the reports within the departments, and the report between the departments and the Harijan colony, and the report between the Harijan, the governments, and the defense land, and be able to know. So I told him be ready everything. So last part of this August we'll be having meeting about these issues.
But don't
since long, of course. So that's why we are talking about since long.